Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. Y'all saw last week that I made some chocolate waffle. I told y'all this particular product I got at the food show. It makes pancakes also. The same mix, everything. Krusteaz. Y'all know Krusteaz, top of the line waffle maker, waffle mix. And I did a video on the chocolate waffle, which is pleasantly surprised. Y'all know I hate chocolate. I don't like chocolate. And they tasted actually pretty good. And I told y'all I'm gonna make pancakes with them also. And they got a recipe on the back for pancakes. Only difference in the pancakes and the waffle, you add less water to it than the pancake. Pancakes, you need more water. This, you need less water. So all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna do it just like I did the waffle mix. I'm gonna make about 3 pancakes here. They ain't gonna eat a lot. I got Dylan here. I know he eats pancakes. I don't know if he eats chocolate. But he loves pancakes, so have them up. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, just add some cold water to this. I'm not gonna even measure it. I'm just gonna play it by ear here. Like I say, you use less water than you would in the waffle mix. Kind of just let them set up a little bit. And like I told y'all, these have real chocolate chips in them, which is amazing. Ooh. So I like to let the batter kind of set up about 10-15 minutes, let it soak up all the liquid. And then we're gonna come back, y'all, and we're gonna, let me see something here. That's about as thick as you want it, just like that. So I'm gonna let it set up here in about 10-15 minutes, y'all. And we're gonna come back and we're gonna make about 3 pancakes out of this, and we're gonna see if it tastes just as good in the pancake form as it do in the waffle form. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Y'all can see how that's sticking up. As you let it set up the batter, it's gonna thicken up on you. That's why I tell you, when you make a pancake batter, a waffle batter, stuff like that, let it sit up by 10 minutes or so, 5 or 10 minutes, and then let that liquid kind of soak in. Okay, I'm gonna do one at a time, y'all. We're gonna do one at a time here and see what happens. And one thing about chocolate waffles and chocolate pancakes I learned last week, it look like they burn up when they cook. It's just it's not an eye-appealing type of dish, y'all. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna get the first one going here, and I'll be back when I got pretty much got the last one to come out. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. See if I can flip this thing over, y'all, without making a mess. There we go. Y'all look, see, like I tell y'all, look like it's burnt up, but that's just the chocolate in it. So I'm gonna see if I can get, I think I can get 3 out of here, y'all. I'm gonna take one bite and Dylan can have the rest. I do not eat chocolate. But I was, like I was telling y'all, I was pleasantly surprised with the waffle batter. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get this cooked off and get them all cooked off, and I'll be back when I got them all ready, and we're gonna taste them, see how they are. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Like I say, y'all, it was just like a plate of burnt up pancakes. That's what it looked like to me. But y'all know I don't like chocolate, so we're gonna take one for the team here. And let Dylan taste it. I'm gonna put some more syrup on here so it doesn't run off. We're gonna see here, y'all. Let's see here what we got here. They look fluffy, definitely look fluffy. Put a little butter on it. Look at this, y'all. Look fluffy here. Let's see. Taste that. Y'all like eating a German chocolate cake. That's what it tastes like without the icing on it. It's definitely not heavy, but the thing, I'm not a chocolate eater. If you love chocolate, honestly, I like the waffle better than the pancake. I don't know why, it's the same batter. This one seems more chocolatey to me. If you're a chocolate eater, this is for you. Would I eat it again? No. Would I order at a restaurant? No. The waffles, yes, maybe, but it's light. It's very light. But only negative, because it's my personal preference. I don't like waffles. I mean, chocolate. So, anyway, y'all, just want to give you a review of the Krusteaz waffle mix. I mean, pancake mix. So, anyway, let's close the video. If you like the video, please share, please comment. Please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.